Hi, my name is Travis Walsh. I'm one of the wellness specialists and personal trainers here at Genesis Place, and today we are talking about cardio. To do that, we're going to use our AMT machine. This machine is a great alternative to a treadmill because you get to use your arms and your legs to give you a full body cardio workout. Let me show you how it works. So for this machine, if I want to get it started, all I have to do is slide my top foot forward. I'm going to slam it into the ground and get this machine moving. Once I get it moving, the screen will light up for me, and I can press this quick start button. And then from here, what you can do that's not traditional to a typical elliptical is you can change the stride on it. So if I want to go more up and down, all I'm going to do is toggle the button on the left-hand side, and then I'll go more up and down. And then if I want to go more horizontal, I'm going to toggle the right side up, elongate my stride, and I'll go more forwards and backwards. And then lastly, what I can do is I can go high up on both, and that is going to create a cyclical motion, just like an elliptical. And then one other thing that I wanted to talk about was your arms, and for here, all I'm doing, grabbing onto the handles, I'm just pushing my arms forwards and backwards. If you are a pass holder at Genesis Place and you're looking for a few more resources to get you started on your fitness journey, then you can always book a wellness consultation. To do that, you can just come to the fitness center front desk, meet with a wellness specialist, and they can get you booked in. Thank you very much.